guys, I'm back again with the song Cutie Pie, and I'm sure you must have seen the dance performance, so let's quickly start learning. So guys, songs start with some Punjabi and Indian beats, and I also put some typical Indian Punjabi steps in the beginning of the song. So initial beats, 5 beats we need to skip, and then we need to start dancing from 6th. So it's like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 we need to skip, and then we need to start from another beat. So in that beat what we need to do, let me show you the steps. It's 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So here join your hands through your finger, keep it to your left, and you need to suddenly and quickly move it to left to right, and with a jerk, okay, and right is forward, your right leg is forward. So it's like 1 2, now here your left is forward and hit, okay. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So how you need to hit it? You need to crush and hit through your hips. 5 and 6, okay. Once again, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. And now Punjabi lyrics come, and I'm very bad at it, so I'll try if I can pronounce it correctly. So it's like tere vargi, I forgot, okay, whatever, let me just show you the numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 1 2. So what you need to do, left is forward, you are completely profile, okay, right hand, and so it's like wave, it's just like wave. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. So 1 2 slow, 3 4 quick, join your hands and 2 times hit. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, your hands come here. Okay, so the lyrics are tere vargi na pind vich, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Tere vargi na pind vich dooji. So on dooji you need to hit, so as if that you're removing something, or you can simply do gidda wala step. So we do gidda like this, okay. It's as similar as dipping, it's just in gidda you need to just throw your leg forward, okay. So once again, tere vargi na pind which, on which you need to join your hands, dooji. Tere vargi na pind which dooji koi chick mahiya. So chick, you need to keep your hands here, chick mahiya. So here your both hands come here to your right, your elbow, your right elbow is up. So tere vargi na pind vich dooji Punjabi koi. Now I remember, Punjabi koi chick mahiya. So you need to touch your cheeks and chick mahiya. Throw your left leg, go profile and touch your cheek. 1 2 3, only 3 times, no, I think it's 4 times. Chick mahiya, okay. After this, क्यों तू खिड़की ते बैठी मुस्काए शर्माए, I think it's same. So 1 2 3 4, क्यों तू खिड़की. So you need to make खिड़की or window, and you need to go cross your leg from your left, okay. So we finish here, क्यों तू खिड़की पे बैठी. So left, right, and you need to sit like this. So you need to make a window and you need to sit. So cross left, right, bend your knees and sit, okay. After this, क्यों तू खिड़की पे बैठी. Now on बैठी you need to shake or shimmy only twice. 1 2, okay, and turn from your right completely. Now your profile, okay, sharmaye. So you need to go back while dipping. क्यों तू खिड़की पे बैठी शर्माए बरांडे. So here cross. I told you these steps in previous tutorials also, if you remember, if you have seen them. So here barande पे. So after this, क्यों तू खिड़की पे बैठी शर्माए बरांडे उठे दिख माहिया. So right goes to left, left goes to right, and we need to continue from right to left or front to left, and hands are up and down, and it's all based on dipping, either dipping or same thing, but your Gidda step if you want to make it in that. So once again, let me recap for you. So it's going to be like, तेरे वर्गी ना पिंड विच दूजी पंजाबी कोई चिक माहिया, तू तो खिड़की पे बैठी शर्माए, वरांडे उठे देख माहिया. Now she repeats the same, or there is a chorus, they repeat the same. So tere varge. Now you need to go back, you need to bend, and your left hand would be like this, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. As I told you, this whole song and dance based on dipping, you need to use lot of these steps. So now you hear, you need to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So lyrics are, तेरे वर्गी ना पिंड विच दूजी पंजाबी कोई चिक माही या. So चिक माही या. Chick, you need to go right and hug yourself. Chick mahi, right is on your right hand is on your right shoulder, left is on your left shoulder. Chick mahi ya, on ya. So it's like basically it's just shifting your weight to right to left, left to right. So chick mahi ya. Okay. Now क्यों तू खिड़की पे बैठी शर्माए. So here only right goes to, like, it's just like circle, okay, like this. So it is, these are your steps, dipping, 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 and you throwing your leg, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So क्यों तू खिड़की पे, make sure you hitting from your waist also. क्यों तू खिड़की पे बैठी शर्माए. Okay, so you need to bend. You can do it in front also. You need to just move your slightly your hips. So क्यों तो खिड़की पे बैठी शर्माए, वरांडे, same step, वरांडे उठे. So right hand goes to left, comes to right, clap, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So वरांडे उठे देख माहिया. So this was the last position. After that beats come. So I have divided again into 8 beats. So after this, now this hand comes here. So let me first show you the step. It goes like 1, 2, as if that we're crossing, okay? Just cross from your right down, then left down, okay? Cross, cross. While crossing, you're just switching, okay? Just first left and then right, but you need to use only your right hand. So 1, 2, on 2 you come here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 3, 4, how is it? It's this, and moving your waist. Let me show you in front. 1, 2, 3, 4. So left comes just parallel to your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as if that you just entering somewhere and you just pushing everything to back and goes diagonal from left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Once again, it's 1, hands going back, your left going to forward diagonally. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and push. Okay. While we merge all these steps one by one, it will look like, finish here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after this step, lyrics part comes. So again, I am teaching you, you just need to enact, but I am teaching you all these steps. So once you pushed, here बन्नो टशन तेरा अति फैंटास्टिक. ओके, सो बन्नो, जैसे हम नज़र उतारते हैं, यू मस्ट हैव सीन दिस स्टेप एंड यू मस्ट हैव डन इट इन योर रियल लाइफ. ओके, सो बन्नो, लेफ्ट एंड राइट, वन स्टेप फॉरवर्ड. बन्नो टशन. ओके, how did I do? I just sway, and from down to up is just Tashan Tera. Ati fantastic. This is an Indian gesture that we do for very good. Okay, so Ati fantastic 4 times. Once again, Banno, you can go from your left or right, it's all up to you. But if you're dancing in a group, it should be coordinated. Okay, so Banno, Tashan, right is at the back of your head, left is here. Banno Tashan Tera, Ati fantastic. Okay, so hit, 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 hit. Social media. So this is like that you type and you close your legs and you need to go like this. Okay, so your hips are out and you just need to, chest is little, you just need to bend, your upper part is little bent and you need to type. You need to show that or pretend like that you're typing. So Banno Tashan Tera, Ati fantastic. Social media pe. So from right to left, Hukum Chalaye. Here, Hukum Chalaye, hit, 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 hit. From your right is up and Hukum Chalaye, 4 steps. Okay, so it will go like this, 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 this. While you walk, it will look like Hukum Chalaye 4 times. Any leg you can start with. Okay, so Hukum Chalaye, phone pe baatein kare. On Chalaye you need to take turn from front to back. Phone pe baatein kare. Okay, left hand phone. Okay, phone pe baatein kare. It's very normal RAM walk that you need to do if you know how to do it. Else you can simply walk. Phone pe baatein kare apne left hand se. Apne left hand se. So you walked forward there and then you turn and you walk again forward. Now left se baatein kare. Left is here. You need to do, you just need to go bend little from like this and you need to make your hand little forward. Apne left hand se. If you can't do this, you can simply use apne left hand se. But if you want to put some variations, you can do it. Apne left hand se. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to go back 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And right hand se mehendi lagaye. Right hand se. So up, up, down, down, or you can do down, down, up, mehendi lagaye. Okay. So right hand se mehendi lagaye. So if we recap, it's going to be like Banno Tashan Tera, Ati fantastic. Social media pe Hukum Chalaye. Phone pe baatein kare. Apne left hand se. Right hand se mehendi lagaye or right hand se mehendi lagaye. It is like random, you can do anything, mehendi lagaye. And after that there is a music, hey. So what you need to do, you just need to keep your hands here. If you're wearing some long skirt, you can hold it, or if you're wearing some pants, you can just put your hands on your thighs or on your waist. You just need to wave it. So how would you do it? Walk, 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 walk and turn. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and turn. If you're dancing with some people or there is someone who's accompanying you, you can just switch the place. You must have seen the dance performance in there. We use the same. So hey, and turn. Okay. So after that he repeats the same. So after you switch the place or you just took turn if you're dancing solo. So here you were there, turn, you took turn, and here, or you can do in front also. So the step is, again I'm doing pelvis thrust along with some hand moves. So hand moves are 1, 2, 3, 4. You must have seen this step in 90s movies, or you must have seen in this recent movies also where they use this step. You must have seen it, right? So it's pelvis thrust. What you need to do, it's left, right. It's a kind of a cycling that you're doing through your hands, okay, along with the pelvis thrust. So I'm going to show you this one. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 8 counts you need to complete this step. Then after, just this, okay? So you're here and you need to touch your your left hand through your right. It's going to be like 1, 2, only 2 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what you did, you just need to half circle through your hands and then left and right, and it is fist, and left is forward and hit, 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 hit. So hit is like this, okay? Crush something through your left and hit 4 times. So the lyrics are same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, phone पे बातें करें अपने left hand से, same lyrics, phone पे, okay? Or you can do phone पे. So phone पे बातें. So left goes here and you sing to your left. Phone पे बातें. So what we do, it's just that Indian gestures, how we talk like this. Phone पे बातें करें अपने left hand से. So what you did, phone पे बातें करें अपने left hand से. So if you are here, you need to go left, and if you want to go to right, use your right hand. It's not necessary that you specifically use the same hand. So what we did, I went this side and one of my partners went to this side using her right hand. So phone पे बातें करें अपने left hand से right से. So as if that we are just telling the roots that go to right or left. So we need to follow the same. However, here we need to make our hips out and just simply we need to move towards right. Right hand से मेहंदी लगाए. So here my hips are out and I'm moving them and pointing out to my palms for mehendi. Mehendi लगाए. After that, he says, boyfriend ki tujhe koi fikr nahi. So once you done or finish with here, you need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So both the hands going back and you coming forward, as if that you're pushing something and you're going forward, and then both the hands are coming forward and you're going back. It's just twice. Boyfriend ki tujhe fikr nahi. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. पहली डेट में कहे. So पहली डेट में कहे tata bye or bye bye. So here what I did with my partner, I hold her hand, or if you're dancing with a boy, you can do that. Hold his hand, come close and bye, as if that you're saying bye, bye, and then after you sit. Just after that, and you need to rotate, okay? देवदास की तरह अफसोस वो करे, okay? So here you sit in this position and you rotate like this only once. Right comes here, touch the floor through your right. अफसोस वो करे. So देवदास की तरह अफसोस वो करे. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what I did, after this my right comes here, cross, then left cross, slow twice, and 3 and 4 fast. So after this, ते तू हंस के innocent सी शक्ल बनाए. So I told you the steps. So lyrics are ते तू हंस के innocency. So twice slow, शक्ल बनाए, fast. Now you need to go bent, and as we used to play in our childhood, and cutie pie. So here are beats 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. We need to roll our hips. If you're comfortable doing this step, very good. If you're not, you can simply walk. You don't have to sit. You just did 1, 2, 3, 4 and take turn. Get up and take turn, And then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I did is that I sat down on the floor and I walked like very toddlers or very small kids walk on the floor. So you just need to sit if you're comfortable doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll your hips 4 times. And then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you can roll your hips, it's good. If you can't roll your hip, you can just hit, 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 hit. So hips out, 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 out. Then after here, you up from your right leg and you just need to hit through your elbow and you need to take turn from front to back. How you need to take turn? With the help of your left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What I'm doing is I'm just sliding or I'm just rotating from front to back with the help of my knee and right leg. Okay. So it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm hitting, my chest is out, out, out. So it's hit, 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 hit while rotating from front to back or back to front. Okay. Then after get up and again cutie pie, again he sings. So here 1, so you just need to touch your cheek and throw your finger. And so just look at the feet. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me quickly recap for you from boyfriend की तरह. Boyfriend की इसे, boyfriend की इसे कोई फिक्र नहीं, पहली डेट में कहे बाय बाय. देवदास की तरह अफसोस ये करे, ये ते इनोसेंसी शक्ल बनाए. On बनाए you are here. Cutie 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here after this step, so I told you it's just hip hop step. It's just you just need to hit and giving little jerk. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, there is a chorus that I'm going to teach you. So lyrics are लाल परांदा बांध के जब तू लख मटकांदी है. Here you just need to make, this is the Kathak step that I put in. What you need to do, you just need to join the wrist and you need to rotate your hands. So here up and but I put some rotation or some jazzy move in this. So लाल paranda बांध के जब तू. Now these are the hand moves. Now you need to bend how your whole body will move. लाल paranda बांध के जब तू. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Rotate. Now how would you rotate? You just bend your knees and you hit through your shoulder and chest out and sit back, chest out and sit back. Okay. So लाल paranda बांध के जब तू. So लाल paranda बांध के जब तू. So bend knees up, bend your knees and up. जब तू लक. On luck you have to go back. Keep your hands here on back and look little side, not completely to your viewers or your audience, just little side and bend your knees. Lak matkandi hai or a. You need to come forward or front. Once again, लाल परांदा बांध के जब तू लख मटकांदी है. And lyrics are critical condition में सबका. So just don't do anything, just parallel, your feet are parallel and you just need to hit right upper part. So once your upper part going right, your this part, your legs will go to left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's hit, 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 hit. Okay, or you also can do hit, front, left, down. Okay, right, front, left, down, or you can do right, left. So it's just thrice. Critical condition में सबका, on सबका, open your legs, दिल कर जांदी है. Okay, so rotate and open hands, rotate and open hands. On rotation, you are up. When you open your hands, your knees are bent. Okay, so after this critical condition में सबका, critical condition में सबका दिल कर जांदी है, सीने में अरमान. Again bend your knees, right is here on your chest, left is up, and hit 4 times. So सीने में अरमान हजारों तू जिंदा करके. So shimmy and your hands are going forward or up from your stomach. So अरमान हजारों तू जिंदा करके, कंधे का टैटू दिखला के. I don't know what are the lyrics, but it's just 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. What I did, right is up, I am just hitting my right. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. And after this, again same lyrics, those Punjabi lyrics that we've heard in the beginning of the song, Tere varge na pind vich dooji, that we need to, I'm not repeating the steps, but steps are very easy, you can do it. So after you did 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, now from here you need to start right, left, okay. So lyrics are, Tere vargi na pind vich dooji, Punjabi, okay, it's like you need to point out yourself. Punjabi koi chik mahiya, again it is dipping. So Punjabi koi chik mahiya, 3 times. Chik mahiya, tu to khidki pe बैठी. Now खिड़की पे बैठी, chest drop twice. तू तो खिड़की पे बैठी शर्माए, and just twice, and then after 1 2 3 4. Any random Punjabi step you want to do or any Indian step that you want to do, you just need to go natural and random, and that was all. So guys, that was all for Cutie Pie, and I'm sure you have seen my dance performance so that you can relate all the steps according to the dance. And please click the eye above to see the dance performance on the screen. And please do like, share, subscribe our channel, that is Dancercise. This is Aditi signing off.